What does the Piltdown Man hoax teach us about archaeological ethics? Imagine discovering what seems to be the missing link in human evolution, only to find out it was a clever fake. That's exactly what happened with the Piltdown Man. This story is a wild ride through science, deception, and the lessons learned along the way. The hoax involved a fake fossil that combined a human skull with an orangutan jawbone. It was carefully crafted and chemically altered to look authentic. For decades, many scientists believed it was real because it fit their expectations about human origins. They wanted so badly to find proof that humans evolved in Europe that they overlooked obvious signs of fakery. The Piltdown hoax shows us how important honesty is in science. When scientists accept evidence without enough proof or verification, they risk being misled. It also highlights how cultural bias can influence scientific work. In this case, national pride played a role, as many wanted to believe that Europe was the birthplace of humans. This bias made scientists more willing to accept the fake fossils. It's a reminder that objectivity and skepticism are vital. Scientists need to question their assumptions and test their findings thoroughly before sharing them with the world. The hoax also teaches us about the danger of confirmation bias. Scientists wanted to find evidence supporting their ideas, so they interpreted ambiguous data to fit their beliefs. They ignored inconsistencies like the mismatch between the jaw and skull. This shows how easy it is to see what we want to see, rather than what's actually there. Ethical responsibility means being honest about uncertainties and not rushing to conclusions. It's about verifying authenticity before making claims that could influence entire fields of study or public understanding. The Piltdown case reminds the scientific community to stay transparent and open to criticism. When the hoax was finally uncovered, it took many years and careful analysis to reveal the truth. This teaches us that scientific progress depends on honesty, verification, and a willingness to challenge even popular ideas. In the end, the Piltdown Man deception is a quirky but serious lesson about how science can be misled by its own hopes and biases. It shows us that maintaining ethical standards is essential to avoid falling for clever deceptions and to keep science honest and trustworthy.